The woman dropped the Christmas presents on the ground. The golf ball dropped into the hole. The young man dropped the books that he got from the library. The hands dropped the money on the ground. The businesswoman dropped the documents on the floor. The fighter jet dropped love bombs on the enemy. The man dropped the boxes that he was carrying. The cough medicine dropped onto the teaspoon. The mother dropped her son off at school. The planes dropped bombs on the enemy. The hand dropped the ball. The man dropped the rubbish into the bin. The man dropped a sugar cube into the coffee. The man cracked open the egg and the egg yolk dropped into the frying pan. The man accidentally dropped his phone in the water. The scientist dropped some liquid drops into the test tube. The hand dropped an effervescent vitamin C tablet into the glass of water. The woman dropped a teabag into the boiling hot water. The helicopter dropped water on the forest fire. The waiter dropped everything on the floor. The water dropped into the sink. The delivery driver dropped off a package.